Welcome back to Creation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate, which I did get a few days ago, and we're just now doing.
Super late. And my mask of the day is this one. It's what I wore to work today. It's got butterflies. My mother-in-law, hopefully you can see it, my mother-in-law made it. So thanks, Jane. Even though she doesn't watch these, I don't think. But
I'm almost gonna get this open. Okay, so when you open it, it looks like that. If you can see it. I usually give her the card, and I try to see if I can figure out who's on which
if
item.
it doesn't tell her, it does say USA, USA, USA Crate.
I mean, most of them usually do, but...
And this month's
And then my memory's not great, so...
This month's charity is Mike Rebuilds Life.
Gosh, say Bionic Elbow, the American Dream.
It's a shirt, right? So
Is that the Rhodes? Like, I feel like it would be, wouldn't it?
there's only that shirt and yeah, I know the other one you would know too. So you said Rhodes though, right? You said
Yeah.
Rhodes. Yeah, it's Dusty Rhodes. Yeah. Yep. So ding ding ding, you got that one right.
So
You
like,
said it very quietly, but she's right on it.
it's like a cartoon, you know, it's so
And it was like you would know who that is.
I know, Kurt Angle, yeah.
Yeah. So ding ding ding, she got another one right. I'm
Well,
glad
it's
that's actually not putting the names straight on there because otherwise it's like no test at all.
I just think of their songs and stuff, and so I'm like, or like, I don't know.
Or
Anyway.
like the memory, the history of
I'm
each
like,
person.
you suck. Anyway, and then Lex Luger, his name's on it, but
Yeah.
yeah.
A pen. They always get a pen. Her and her hubby.
And then the little microfiler is Hacksaw Jim Duggan. That's cute. We have quite a lot of those. Like, I don't even know how many.
Oh, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 on her mirror over there.
And then, I don't
Probably
know.
the same on this side.
Huh?
Oh, I said probably the same on this side.
And the little sticker.
Oh. Do you know whose that is?
I mean, is that Cody's?
Yeah.
Cody's new tattoo?
Yeah.
He just got. I don't know because
Because I was thinking of Cody's neck or whatever, and I was like, that makes me think of that. And it's Cody Nightmare.
And then
Is it
Tales
supposed to
from
look
the
like that?
Road.
Maybe it is. I don't know. No? Maybe.
I'm trying to see, does this have everyone in it or what?
Maybe are you asking what it's about, or?
No, well, I'm well, I mean, I see, like, the different people on it, and so I'm like, did they create, like, a story with all of them, like a little comic with...
It's basically, it's like a Sergeant Slaughter mini headlocked comic. So I guess it's based on him more than probably anybody else who might be
That's
seen
cute.
in it. But there,
Cute
yeah, I was like,
burrito.
there's that.
And then the autographed one, let me see, which you get...
I feel like you'll like this person, but I might be wrong.
Oh, and oh my gosh, I'm gonna be mad because I, like, just because I haven't seen his...
Crickets.
no.
Can I think of his name? What's his? Is
No,
this
because I haven't seen him in a while. But I mean, that's not because, like, I mean, obviously, like, I like him. He's just not like
This is Foot Gordon.
with I don't think he's with AEW yet, but
Yeah,
that I'm
Foot
aware
Gordon.
of.
I like it's like USA.
I wonder if he's like with Ring of Honor or like right now. I don't know.
And that's it for all your
I
stuff
wanted
in there, right?
AEW, but that's okay. But yeah,
And then, so that's what the one card said, because those are all the spoilers. And then it says next month's theme is top sellers. So I would say that was a pretty good box, though, especially
Yeah.
having like Cody stuff in it. I was like,
I think we
yay.
like everything in it.
All
so
the
that's
stickers,
good.
it's like, what are you going to do with a sticker? But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe about our future giveaways. Hopefully, with all the states reopening with the COVID and stuff, we'll be done with COVID-19 soon, and we can do more giveaways at that time. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.